Hi there, my name is Emily, but better known as Ureshiiiiii on YouTube, and I'm an M&D animator and producer. A big shout out to the guys at HowExpert.com for this video, and here are my top 5 animation tips for you guys today. Number 1, start very basic. Don't go animating some one-on-one showdown between two swordsmen or something like that, because you need to learn at your own pace. Try animating something that would be simple and easy for you to achieve. For example, just animate a model singing to your favorite song on the radio. Pace yourself and build up more challenging goals as you get used to animation. Number 2, don't compare yourselves to others. There are so many wonderful 3D and 2D animators out there, and you're going to look at their work and be like, you'll never reach that same standard as them. But don't be discouraged, because these people have years of experience of work and usually work for big name companies. So instead of fretting over whether you will reach the same standard or not, use their work as an inspiration to drive to improve your own animation. Number 3, look in the mirror and observe your own body movement. Use the mirror as a body visual reference to understand how a model's body parts move. For example, if you're animating a very energetic wave, you're not going to stand there and be like, hello. No, it's going to be, hey! Moving the arms, the wrists, the fingers, all of that in there. And by using a mirror, you can understand how our anatomy works. Number 4, experiment. Once you become more confident with animation, try animating different types of things to broaden your experience and gain new skills in other areas. For example, if you're really good at animating humans and basic things like that, try going onto animals and different types of species. Really expand on your abilities. And number 5, lastly, practice. You have to be very patient and persistent with animation. It's something that's not going to happen overnight. But like with everything, you need to have the determination. You're going to have bad days where your animation sucks and you're probably going to feel like punching a hole in your computer screen. But the most important thing is to keep going. Keep moving forward, because as long as you're learning, you have nothing to lose. And if you're passionate enough about animation as me, then you're going to have no trouble getting there. So yeah, those are my top 5 animation tips for you guys today. Thanks again to HowExpert.com, and I hope I was able to enlighten you a little. Good luck!